I turned my hair clip into a swan. Hi guys, it's been a while since I actually talking to you guys. It doesn't really matter, right? Since most of my video is actually YouTube short. And I figured, why not I make another video with me talking again after few months not doing so. So yeah, in this video I turned my old metal hair clip that actually already crooked or broken into a swan. Why swan specifically? I don't know why or when, but I begin to see a swan figure while I look to this broken hair clip of mine. So yeah, I don't know. I love making something with accessories wire. I don't have to know the pattern, or I don't have to exactly measure something. I just kind of do it just like this. As you can see, I made a T-Rex. It's not my first time doing it. I was doing it first time in my middle school in art subject, I guess. But yeah, they throw it out. They say they will save it, but they don't, apparently. They're in trash somewhere, or maybe it's already burned. I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's in the past. I can always make it again, right? Yeah, maybe the future, not right now. You know what? I want to talk about something. I have been doing this YouTube thing actually since last year. No. But actually, my actual first video is on 2017. So I guess it's already my dream to become YouTuber since then. Yeah. But as you can see, I don't know if someone gonna watch this video. I just talk. I'm talking to you, or I don't know. In reality, the one hearing my voice right now is my cat. They are asleep now. They are so cute. They are just don't care about what I'm doing. Just sleep and waiting another time to be feed again. Oh yeah, and if you are my subscriber, maybe you're noticing the pattern. Yeah, I'm not as active as I used to be. I know, I'm so sorry. It's because I'm actually busy looking for a job. Yeah, ironic, isn't it? And I actually focusing on making video in TikTok. But my TikTok main audience is Indonesian, my country. Saya bangga menjadi orang Indonesia. So I just wondering, should I upload something in Indonesian in here? But looking at my graphic, most of you are not from Indonesia. So yeah, I think I will keep it separate. YouTube is for my international audience. I will use English, and TikTok is from my Indonesian audience. And I actually looking for a job using my TikTok. So yeah, I hope that's explained it. I'm sorry I'm talking so random because I actually don't know how to explain what I'm doing right here. So yeah, this is my attempt. And right now, it's on my living room. Thank you.